Okay, so this was the task. The task was for you to prepare a template so that you can get the bonuses, the percentage commissions of this for these prices based on individual years. So these are employee years for year one, this for year two, and above. So let's just start with what VLOOKUP does. You can do this with a VLOOKUP and a formula. So for the VLOOKUP, so let's assume that these are different items and these are the prices. So for this case, let's say it's 200, this one is 100, this one is 300, this one is maybe a drink, and this one is just sweet. Right. Okay, so imagine we wanted to put a price here, so we'll put an item in this box, and yeah, the price of the item actually displays here. So let's for example, let's write drinks. Okay, so what we're going to do here is equals to VLOOKUP whatever is here, which is our lookup value. So this is our lookup value. We're looking for drinks in what table? We're looking for drinks in this particular table. And we want to know the price. The price on column 2 of this our table. So we put 2. We want to know exactly the price, or do we want to know if we can't find the item, should I give you an estimate? So I want exactly the price. So I'll put this and I close the bracket and I press enter. So 300. So now let's look at how we apply this to solve this. Okay, so what is I going to do again? I'm also going to use an if formula. So let's do maybe whatever is here, if whatever we have is maybe above 200. So if it's above 200, let's say we're going to say it's expensive. We're going to say this product is expensive. Okay, so this for now we're going to look at our if formula, if expensive. So let's do it here. So let's do maybe the what will I call it? Let me call it maybe the status or something, right? So here you just do equals to if formula. If whatever product, so if our price is greater than 200, we are saying that it is expensive. However, if it's less than 200, we are saying that it's not expensive, right? So I close the bracket, I press enter. So above 200, expensive. If I drag down, not expensive, but this is above 200, so it's expensive. Okay, now so let's apply both our VLOOKUP and our if formula and our VLOOKUP to solve this. Okay, so we're going to come here and put if the year is if it is above, if it is less than 1. So if it is less than 1 year, so if the person has been shopping for less than 1 year, so less than 2 years. So if it's less than 2 years, which is 1, you should look for. So I put so what should it tell me? So she give me, so she do a VLOOKUP, I look for the convention. So whatever amount the person did, it says amount here. In this is our table for 1 year, for less than 2 years. So want to know the index number, which is commission 2. I want to know exactly for that particular commission. So I put first, I close this bracket, comma. Now I go to value if true. So value if true is, so what if the person is not less than 2 years? The person is above 2 years. The person is 2 years and above. What should you give me? So again, I'll do an VLOOKUP. You should also look for the commission here, but in this case, look for it on this particular table, right? And I want you to give me from column 2 of this particular table, and again, as usual, give me exact match. So I close this bracket for our VLOOKUP and I close the bracket for now our if formula and I press enter. So that's it. So as you can see here, this person got 4,000, this, which is this, and if we drag down, yeah, we got an N, so not available. So here is 7,000 for 2 years. Why? Apparently there's no 7,000 here for 2 years. So even if, for example, I come here and I put 7,000, and let me say 7,000 now is 15%. This change to 50%.